Welcome to today's episode of Furniture Industry News. It's September 23rd, 2024, and we're covering recent developments in the furniture and mattress retail landscape, credit trends, consumer spending plans, potential port strikes, and more. Big news in the mattress retail world. Mattress Warehouse is making a major move, set to acquire 176 stores from Sleep Outfitters and Mattress Firm. This deal includes 107 Sleep Outfitters locations, 73 Mattress Firm stores, and 7 distribution centers. It's a significant expansion for Mattress Warehouse, which already operates over 320 stores. Now there's a catch. This acquisition is tied to Tempur Sealy's proposed $4 billion takeover of Mattress Firm. That deal is currently facing some challenges from the Federal Trade Commission, but Tempur Sealy is confident it'll go through by early 2025. If everything goes as planned, this move will boost Mattress Warehouse towards its goal of running 500 stores by 2028. It's a smart play that strengthens their position in the market and could lead to better opportunities for customers and employees alike. In the furniture retail sector, we're seeing an interesting trend when it comes to credit. Demand for financing options is on the rise, with more customers turning to credit to make their purchases. This increase in credit usage is roughly proportional to overall furniture sales. Now, you might think this would lead to a spike in delinquencies, but that's not quite the case. While there has been a slight uptick in late payments, it's nothing alarming. Credit providers have gotten pretty savvy with their methods to prevent and manage delinquencies. One key factor keeping things under control is the use of more sophisticated tools, like AI and machine learning. These technologies help providers quickly adjust to market conditions and assess risk more accurately. Plus, many companies are offering more flexible payment options, allowing customers to adjust their payment schedules if needed. This flexibility, combined with better risk assessment, is helping to keep delinquencies at a manageable level despite the increased demand for credit in the furniture industry. Let's take a look at what consumers are planning to buy in the home furnishings market. Recent research shows that sofas and sectionals continue to be the top priority for those looking to upgrade their living spaces. This trend has been consistent for a while now, indicating a strong demand for comfortable seating options. Following sofas and sectionals, other popular categories include area rugs, decorative accessories, and mattresses for the primary bedroom. Wall decor, bedroom furniture, occasional tables, lamps, and recliners are also on many shoppers' lists. Interestingly, the majority of consumers surveyed prefer to make their purchases in-store rather than online. This suggests that people still value the experience of seeing and feeling furniture items before buying. Perhaps most notably, younger consumers are driving a significant portion of the market. Those between the ages of 18 and 43 make up nearly 70% of those planning to spend on home furnishings. This could indicate a shift in buying power and preferences in the industry. A potential labor dispute is brewing at 36 U.S. ports along the East and Gulf coasts. The International Longshoremen's Association, representing tens of thousands of maritime workers, may go on strike if a new contract isn't reached by September 30th. This would be the first national longshoremen's strike since 1977. The union is pushing for better wages and protections against automation. If workers walk off the job, it could severely disrupt cargo movements at major ports, including 6 of the 10 busiest in the country. These ports handle over 13 million containers annually. The timing couldn't be worse for retailers and manufacturers as we approach the holiday shopping season. Industry groups are urging both sides to reach an agreement, emphasizing the critical need to keep ports operational. A strike could have profound consequences for supply chains, potentially leading to shortages and price increases for consumers across the country. The adjustable bed base market is seeing significant growth and transformation. Once viewed primarily as a medical device, these bases are now becoming popular lifestyle products. This shift is opening up new opportunities for retailers to boost their sales and appeal to a broader customer base. Industry experts are noting that adjustable bases are no longer just for those with health concerns. They're now seen as a way to enhance overall lifestyle and comfort for all types of consumers. This wider appeal is driving increased demand and sales in the category. For retailers, adjustable bed bases represent a chance to increase average ticket sales. By offering these bases as add-ons to mattress purchases, stores can significantly bump up their revenue per transaction. The market is also seeing innovation in features and designs, making these bases more attractive to younger consumers and tech-savvy shoppers. From smart home integration to customizable positions, manufacturers are continuously improving their offerings to meet evolving consumer needs. As awareness grows about the benefits of adjustable sleep, this market segment is expected to continue its upward trajectory, providing a valuable opportunity for furniture and mattress retailers to diversify their product lines and boost sales. Macy's is facing some challenges in its home department. During the first 6 months of the fiscal year, home sales at Macy's took a big hit, dropping by double digits. This decline was much steeper compared to other categories in the store. For example, women's accessories, shoes, and cosmetics only saw a slight dip of less than 0.5%, while men's and kids' clothing fell by about 4%. To put it in perspective, in the second quarter alone, home sales dropped by over 10% to $771 million. While this was actually an improvement from the first quarter, it's still a significant decline. Macy's CEO Tony Spring noted that sales of discretionary items started to slow down across all Macy's stores midway through the quarter. To combat this trend, the company is planning to focus on gifting strategies for the upcoming fourth quarter, which includes the crucial holiday shopping season. They're also working on reimagining their private label brands in the home department, with changes expected to roll out next year. That wraps up our news roundup for today. To stay informed about the latest developments in the furniture industry, be sure to subscribe to our podcast. Thank you for listening to Furniture Industry News. We'll be back soon with more updates and insights from the world of furniture.